Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically send Google Docs file as attachment on WhatsApp to new WooCommerce order. So basically the idea is that if a person is going to purchase on my WooCommerce store, the same person will be getting a message from me on his WhatsApp number, and this message will also contain the link of a Google Docs which is actually present in my Google Drive. Okay, so basically we are going to begin with a small example. So this is my WooCommerce store and we have a ton of products. So let's say a guy is going to purchase this particular product, smartwatch. So let me just open this in a new tab. Okay, and imagine this, I am a customer and I'm going to make a purchase. Okay, so let me just add this to the cart. Okay, and after this, let me just click on proceed to checkout. So these are the details of a person. So the first name is Joy, the last name is Tribbiani. This is the region where he lives, and these are all the rest of the details. And this is of course the phone number. So basically he will be getting a message containing the link on this particular phone number. So basically all we have to do is just click on place order. Okay, so the order is getting placed. Okay, so the order has been received, it has been placed. So basically now Joy Tribbiani will be getting a WhatsApp message containing a link. Now this link, when he clicks, will contain this particular doc. So basically this is a doc that I have prepared, and basically this is a welcome message for a new customer. Okay, and the name of my WooCommerce store is 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏, and this is the doc that he will be getting, and it also includes the terms and condition. So let me just straight away take you to the WhatsApp profile of Joy Tribbiani to show you the doc. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp profile of Joy, and as you can see, he has got this particular message. Welcome, thanks Joy for purchasing. So let me just open this file, and this is the file that he has received, and it is getting opened. Okay, so this is a Word file now. Okay, welcome to 𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗏. Basically, this is the same doc that is present in my Google Drive, and these are the terms and conditions that Joy has to follow. Okay, so basically, your obvious question is, how did I do it? How did I manage to send a file from my Google Drive to a person who has just made an order on my WooCommerce store? So basically, here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates WooCommerce, Google Drive, and WhatsApp. Now the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me show you the process. Now before we begin, there are three things I have to tell you. The first thing is we are using Chat API to send the WhatsApp messages. There are other options other than Chat API to send WhatsApp messages like 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Second thing is Pabbly Connect doesn't own Chat API. Chat API is a third-party software. Third, and perhaps the most important thing, is Chat API is definitely not free. Okay, so in the new tab, all you have to do is just type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down, and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate WooCommerce, Google Drive, and WhatsApp. That is why let me just click on this button, Create Workflow. Okay, so I'm going to give a name to this workflow. How about WooCommerce? WooCommerce to Google Drive to WhatsApp orders, because we want to send the data for a new order in WooCommerce. Okay. Okay, so let me just enter a space, and let me just correct the spelling, and let me just click on create. Okay, so basically when you click on create, you will have two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now in the trigger window, you have to put basically WooCommerce, because we want to send the data when a new order is made. So let's add WooCommerce as the trigger app. Okay, so this is the app, and in the trigger event, how about we make it as order created? Let me just scroll down and let us find out order created, order created, order deleted, new order created, this one. Okay, so new order created is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically an if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new order is created in WooCommerce, then what action should be taken by the system? Now basically the gist is we are just trying to integrate WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect. So let me just straight away take you to my WooCommerce store. So this is the dashboard of my WordPress. And as you can see, WooCommerce is a plugin that I have already installed. So all you have to do is just click on settings. I'm just going to open the settings page in a new tab. Okay, so as you can see, this is the settings page. At the right side, you will find the option called as advanced. Click this. Okay, so this is the advanced page. All you have to do is just click on webhooks. So basically, we are going to create a new webhook. So as you can see, I have created a ton of them. Now for your consideration, I'm going to create a new webhook. So just click on add webhook. Okay, so how about we give a name? I'm going to give it as Google Drive, or how about Google Docs to WhatsApp. Okay, so now in the status, how about we change it from disabled to active? Now with regards to the topic, how about we make it as order created? Order created. Now we have to enter the most important part, that is the delivery URL. So this is the webhook URL you want. You basically copy this and simply paste it here. Easy. Okay, so now we have to enter the secret that will also remain as empty. We don't have to do anything about the secret, just leave it as blank. Now the API version will remain same as WP REST API integration v3. Let me just click on save webhook. Okay, so it is showing the webhook has been updated successfully. Basically, it means that we have integrated WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect. This means that anytime a new order is made in WooCommerce, Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures this data, let me just click on this button, Recapture Webhook Response. Click on Yes. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So how about we create an experiment? We are going to create a new order. So let me just straight away take you to the product page. Okay, so this is the product page, all products. And imagine a guy is going to make a purchase of one of my product. Okay, so he's going to purchase, let's say this one, Velocity drone. He's going to purchase a drone. Okay, add to the cart. Okay, proceed to checkout. Okay, so this time let's enter some different details. Okay, so how about, let me just, okay. So the name is Matthew Perry, and these are the details of Matthew Perry. Let me just enter the phone number. Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, let me just remove the country code. Okay, so this is the phone number, this is the email address, and these are the rest of the details. Let me just also enter the country code. Okay, let me just click on place order. Okay, so we have to enter the country code, correct country code. Okay. Okay, so in case if I don't know what's the country code, I'm just entering the country code that I know, country details I know, and let me just once again click on place order. Okay, so the order has been made by a guy called as Michael Karas, basically Matthew Perry. Okay, so this is his email address, michaelkaras481@gmail.com, and this is the total amount he has paid. And the payment method is cash on delivery. So let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect, since it is integrated with WooCommerce, has captured this detail or not. So it is showing it is still waiting for the data. So give it 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, after a delay of 2 or 3 minutes, we have got the data. It actually took some time. It usually doesn't. Okay, so this is the billing first name, that is Matthew. This is the last name, that is Perry. And the most important thing that we have to look for is basically the phone number. So basically on this phone number, we will be sending the WhatsApp message. And of course, this is the email address. Excellent. Now what next? So basically we want to send this particular folder, this particular file, that is basically a Google Docs file. And this particular Google Docs file is present in my Google Drive. As you can see, this particular Google Docs file is present in my Google Drive. So we want to create a shareable link that we can send it on WhatsApp. So this is how you do it. You first of all, in the action window, let's make the choose app as Google Drive. Google Drive it is. Okay, excellent. Now in the action event, how about we make it as share a file with anyone? This one. And let me just click on connect. So in the add new connection, all you have to do is connect with Google Drive. Okay, so these are the series of Gmail accounts I have, and out of all these Gmail account, I'm interested in this particular Gmail account because this Google Drive containing this Google Doc is present in this account, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Authorization complete. Let me just press OK. Excellent. So by default, it is showing the file ID as Pabbly Connect integration main sheet. Now this is one of the files that is present in my Google Drive. Now we want a particular file that is welcome. So we want this Google Doc file. Now these are the many types of file that is present in my Google Drive. We have the PNG file, we have JPG file, we have zip file, all those files. So we are interested in a particular file that is welcome. So we have to select that particular file. Okay, so we have two files, that is welcome and welcome.pdf. We want the doc, so I'm selecting this one. And all you have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so it is showing anyone with a link. Now we do have some choices here. So as you can see, we can send it as a PDF. Okay, so this is for PDF. We can actually send it as a zip. So this is the file that you want to send it as a zip. Okay, and then we have XML format. So basically I'm planning to send it as a simple doc format. So this is the format that I'm going with. Okay, and at the last we also have a simple plain text. I'm going to share this particular file link. Okay, open XML format. So this is how you do it. So another action window it is, and in the choose app you introduce chat API. Okay, so I will repeat the statements that I have made earlier. Chat API is definitely not free, and Pabbly Connect doesn't own chat API. Now in the action event, how about we make it as send a file? Okay, this one, and let me just click on connect. Now in the new connection, we have to enter the API URL as well as the token. So this is how you get the API URL. You go to the dashboard of Chat API. This is something you will get after you build your Chat API account. You copy this and you just paste it here. Easy. Okay, so now with regards to the token, so this is your token. I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the token, we have entered the API URL. Let me just click on save. So when you click on save, we have fields like contact/group, phone number, body, file, and caption. So basically the purpose is very simple. We are going to create a message in Chat API to send it as a message on WhatsApp from the data that we have received from our WooCommerce as well as Google Drive via Pabbly Connect. Now we have the first field, that is contact/group. Now we want to send this data to an individual person, so we are going to ignore this field. Now with regards to the phone number, all we have to do is just click here and we just click on the mapping button, and here we have in the first accordion we have the person, the phone number. So this is the phone number and we have mapped it. Easy. Now this is the phone number, but definitely we have to enter the country code. Now I am from India and this phone number is an Indian phone number, so I'm just going to enter the country code, that is 91. Okay, so the phone number field is filled. Now we have to enter the body. So body is something you get from the second accordion. Okay, so we have to share the link, and this is the link that I'm planning to share. Okay, open XML format, and we have entered it. Now we have to mention the file name. So this is something you get from the second accordion, and the name is welcome. Okay, so this is the file name, that is welcome, and we have mapped it. So at this point, all you have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been sent. So let me just straight away show you the screenshot. Okay, so basically this is the screenshot of the message that Matthew Perry has received. Excellent. Okay, so basically this is the end. Now before you leave, let me just show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize all of my windows. So I have minimized this action window, I have minimized this action window, and I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then you have made sure that you are going to share a file that has a shareable link, and you just map that shareable link into Chat API. So now there's a perfect flow of data between WooCommerce, Google Drive, and WhatsApp. Excellent.